les verbes du troisième groupe. And more precisely, we'll see together how to conjugate at the present form the verbs ending with VRE. Okay? VRE. So let's see that together. And so the example I wanted to take is quite useful because it's vivre, and vivre means to live. And so the tricky thing that you've got to keep in mind with this group of verbs is that it will have actually two stems or two roots. So we'll see practically what it does mean, okay? But then keep in mind that for the singular form, so je, tu, and then il, elle, actually the stem or the root will be vi, okay? So basically you take away this vre ending. Okay, and then for the plural form, so it will be nous, vous, and then il, elle. The stem or the root will be v, i, v. Okay, so and that's the difficult thing because for the singular the stem will be vi, for the plural it will be vi, v. Okay, so let's see now how it will go when we conjugate this verb. So you will get je vis, tu vis, il vit, elle vit. Okay, so we do agree that you take this root or this stem here, you put it right here, and after that you will put the ending. For je it will be s, for tu it will be s the same, and for il, elle it will be t. And so if we keep the logic as we saw now for the plural form, we will take VIV, and then after that we will add the ending, and the classic ending for nous is ONS. Nous vivons. Vous vivez. Ils vivent. Elles vivent. Okay, so if you have this thing quite clearly in mind that we've got two stems, so the first one for the singular is VI plus the endings, and then for the plural it will be VIV plus the ending, then you will master this verb and the other verbs that will actually be conjugated like it. Okay, so let's see now the endings. Remember, for je it's S, for tu S, and for il T. So this is the reason why we get je vis, tu vis, il vit, elle vit. Okay? And then for nous, the ending is ONS. So you get nous vivons. Then EZ, vous vivez. And after that, ENT, ils vivent, elles vivent. Alright? So let's see now what verbs are actually conjugated like vivre. And we've got suivre, poursuivre, revivre, survivre, and a few others, but then these are the main ones. So suivre, poursuivre, revivre, survivre. Okay, so let's see what they mean. Suivre, it's to follow. Poursuivre, pursue, chase. Revivre, relive, live through again. Survivre, survive. Okay, and these verbs will actually be conjugated like vivre that we saw a few minutes ago.